Hi boys and girls, this is Miss Alvarado, and today I want to share with you some interesting facts about the rainforest, as well as we're going to make a little poisonous dart frog. So the first thing I want to share with you is that it takes about 10 minutes for a raindrop, which to go from the canopy, which is the very, very top of the rainforest, all the way to the ground. Another fact that I would like to share with you is that it rains about 98 inches to 177 inches per year in different rainforests. Something else that I'd like to share with you is that if the Amazon rainforest, which is in South America, was a country, it would be the 9th largest country in the world. And then my last fact that I'd like to share with you is that a fourth of the world's modern medicine is made from rainforest plants. So if that's the case, we want to make sure that we keep our rainforest safe by not polluting and taking care of things. All right, so let's move on to our craft. And today we're going to make a little poisonous dart frog, or something that looks like a little poisonous dart frog. And what we're going to need is you're going to need your scissors. And remember, boys and girls, if you have scissors, just make sure that you have someone that can help you with these to keep you safe. We're going to use our glue stick, not a piece of pencil, but a pencil. We're going to use some markers, a roll of toilet paper, or the roll of the toilet paper, and some tissue paper. And if you don't have tissue paper, just make sure that you can have maybe some construction paper or some gift wrapping paper. And if you don't have any of those things, you can use a marker or a crayon for your frog, right? So here I go. All right. So the next thing we're going to do, one more thing. You are going to need a sheet of paper for your legs and for your tongue and your eyes, okay? So it's going to look like this. All right. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my tissue paper and I am going to cut it. And it doesn't have to be perfect. You just have to be, just going to grab it. I'm just going to go up and down just like this. And then I am going to put it in half. And then I'm going to cut it. Now remember, boys and girls, when you're cutting, you want to cut away from you, right? All right, so I grab my scissors and I go like this. Perfect. So I am going to cut, and you're going to need a lot of tissue paper. So make sure that you cut a good amount. Okay. So now it looks like this, and I'm going to put it to the side. I'm going to grab my glue stick, and I'm going to just start putting it. So I start at the top, and I put some glue on top, and so here I go. And so I'm going to put it like right here. And then I go like this. And I'm just going to keep going. If you notice, I'm covering it and I'm layering it so that there is no brown space in between. So here it is. This is what I kept going. And this is what it looks like when it is finished. Okay, so you want to make sure that you try to get it so that it is as covered as possible. So here you go. All right, now I am going to use some white paper. And on this one, I am going to color it, and I'm going to use my purple marker. So I'm going to color it. I'm going to color. And then it should look like this, right? So then I'm going to cut it in half, and boom, I have two pieces. So now I'm going to take my little piece, and I'm going to put a little bit of glue on each side, on the bottom of each side. And here I go. Just like this, and then I'm going to make it like that. Okay, so it kind of looks like a little cup, right? I'm going to take it on the other side, and I'm going to do the same. I'm going to go like this to it, and it's going to form it so it kind of looks like a little cup again. All right, and so it goes like that, right? All right, now the next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to take some more and I'm going to color another piece. And it should color it like this. So here's my colored piece. I'm going to fold it. And then I'm going to draw so that I'm drawing its little feet. So then I'm going to cut it. I'm going to take my glue stick. And once again, I'm going to put it there. I'm going to fold it so that its feet look like this. You see? I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. I'm going to put it on here. I'm going to fold it just like that. And then I'm going to fold it over. Alright, so then it looks like this, right? So there's half my little legs. Now I'm going to take my black marker and I'm going to make a little face just like right there. So I take my marker and there's my little face. Now, this is where our pencil comes in. So here's my little pencil. And I'm going to take, I'm going to color a little piece of red. So this is what it's going to look like. And then I'm going to roll it around my pencil. And once I unroll it, it looks like this, right? So then that's why little frogs like to use their tongues to get insects and little bugs. Well, yes, insects. Okay, so here I am, and then I'm going to roll it a little bit so that it looks, there we go. Just like this. All right, so here we go. Now, with the outline of my marker, I'm going to put it on my paper, and I'm going to trace around. So, and then I'm going to cut it, and my eye should look like this. I'm going to take my black marker, and I'm going to make a big circle, and it looks like that. I'm going to take my other eyeball. I'm going to do the same thing. And then I'm going to glue it, so now it looks like this. So now I'm going to glue it at the top up here. I'm going to glue it on top, just like this. And it looks, so here's my little frog, and here's my other one. Now, boys and girls, if you want your eyes to be bigger, you can make your eyes bigger. If you want a longer tongue, you can make a longer tongue. If you want bigger feet, you can make bigger feet. But this is a model of what your little frog could look like, okay? All right, so boys and girls, I hope that you have a marvelous day today and that you enjoyed making this little craft with me. Thank you.